Hey guys, it's your girl Kaylee Sparks here with you today, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do fishbone plait. This video is a beginner's friendly, and today I'm here with my beautiful mannequin Hot Lips, and she's wearing one of my half a wig. It's all, but that's what we're going to practice our fishbone on today. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button now and show a girl some love. Each one teach one. So let's get straight into this video. So we are going to part the hair. I already have it in ponytail because that's the way how I want it. So part the hair into two pieces. Make sure that the hair is well detangled. And then this is what we're going to do. Pinch a little piece of hair from the back and bring it to the front. Collect it with your index finger and put it over on the opposite side. Do the same thing. Pinch a little piece of hair from the back. Carry it over and put it on the opposite side. So you see your X's there. Make sure that you have a little firmness on it. Pinch piece from the back again. Carry it over to your opposite side. Pinch piece from the back. Carry it over. Receive with your long finger and send it over on the opposite side. Pinch piece from the back. Collect with your middle finger. Opposite side. Pinch a little piece from the back, but always try to balance the amount that you are pinching so that you can get a perfect look. Let me show you again. Pinch piece from the back. Carry it over on the opposite side. Pinch it from the back. Carry it over on the opposite side. So you notice you're getting a cross, and that's what you call a fishbone. So you're going to just continue doing this. So make sure that you are looking carefully. And always try to balance the amount that you're pinching from the back. So your fishbone will be super neat. Let me do it slow. And make sure that you're detangling the end of the hair while you are going. And now I'm going to kind of speed it up. And you're going to continue until you reach to the end of the hair. I'll tell you what next you're going to do. So we're right down to the bottom of the hair. So guys, make sure that you're looking very careful, that I'm pinching from the back and putting it around to the front, and I always try to make sure that I balance it, that the same amount that I take from this side is the same amount I take from the opposite side. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Be a part of the Sparks family, guys. Come on. So we are closer to the button, and we're going to do a different plait when we reach a little bit lower. So make sure that you're continuing to watch so that you won't miss out. I want you guys to catch this, because this is a fishbone plait beginners friendly tutorial. And again, I'm going to start to convert it now into a regular plait. So we have the two section here, and this is what we're going to do: shear one section in half. So we have three section now. Three section, 1, 2, 3. So just take that section, carry it over, take the opposite section, carry it over. And there we get our regular plait at the end. You don't directly have to put a regular plait at the end. You could continue doing the fishbone and then put a lasket on the end of the plait. But for me, it doesn't really matter. And then when I reached way down to the end of this, I'm going to convert this into 2. So we are doing some subtraction right here. I hope I'm calling it good. So into 2 now, and then just twist it out. Otherwise, you can just put a lasket at the end and you're good to go. So this is the finishing work of the fishbone plait, and I'll be installing this half a wig on my head, and this is the opposite side, and you can see it's still got the fishbone look to it. So no matter which side it is, it's a fishbone plait. So I'm gonna install this, guys, and show you. That's why my hair is looking so crazy. So guys, please remember to subscribe, and this is my fishbone plait. Subscribe to my channel and be a part of the Sparks family, because 95% of persons are watching this video. Sorry, out of 100 persons, 95% of persons are watching my video and not subscribing. Subscribe, it don't cost you a thing. Be a part of the Sparks family. Each one teach one. Like, comment, share, and this video was a highly requested video. So check me out on Instagram. You will see my crochet work. You will see my hairstyle on Instagram, and you can tell me, guys, if there's any hairstyle or anything that you want me to video and show you guys. Drop some comments and let me know. So check me out on all social media: Facebook at Kaylee Sparks, Instagram at Kaylee Sparks. All the links will be down below on the description. Hit that subscribe button. Peace out. Love you guys.